Hey guys, welcome to another sneaker unboxing video. Now unfortunately I've broken my camera, which is why I'm right now shooting on my mobile phone. So you'll have to excuse the quality or whatever of my videos till I can actually bring a replacement camera. In today's video, we have a sneaker that was sent in by the folks at Reebok. And like you can see from this logo right here, this is the Assassin's Creed collab. Nice black box. It's got a matte lid on top. The sides are all glossy, like you can see the reflection of the ring light. And what do we have with us today? We have the Club C Revenge shoes, a UK 8 in my size. Price point is $6,599 in India, so a little under $100 is what I would assume overseas. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, you like sneakers, give this video a thumbs up. Let me get both the pairs out. And there you have it, the Club C Revenge by Reebok Classic in collab with the Assassin's Creed game. In the left pair, like you can see, you have the Reebok vector logo with that nice, I don't know, what is it? Is that teal? Is that aqua? Is that mint? Let me check the box. I don't know, I'm just going to call this teal. As you can see, where the Reebok Classic branding would otherwise be, or just Reebok, it has the text like a Viking because the Assassin's Creed Valhalla game is based on the Viking concept. I don't know, man, like I don't play games, but this is a cool collab. The materials used on this pair are quite nice. It feels like nice and soft, plush, tumble leather like. Let me get that focus in there. So you see, it's got this nice plush tumble leather kind of feel. I think my favorite part is this aged midsole right here. It's kind of yellowed out to give you that retro feel. The sock liner has like a wool kind of a finish. I don't really know what this is, but it has a kind of a wool finish. On the tongue tab right there, you have the vector logo as well as those two axes and the Assassin's Creed logo. It just says Reebok on the back. And obviously you have this debossed axe print right here. I think it's quite detailed. If you can, I don't know if my phone can focus as much, but as you can see, the axe print is quite detailed on this pair. You have the vector logo done in this black over here, and the same thing continues over on the lateral and medial side. The outsole again going with that teal, mint or aquamarine kind of a thing going on. Let me just quickly show you the insole on the right pair. So the right pair has the Assassin's Creed Valhalla branding on the insole. Everything else is pretty much the same as on the left pair. So the Assassin's Creed pair comes with this spare set of laces that are in the same mint teal colorway as the overall theme of the sneaker. I wanted to quickly show you guys how the Club C Revenge compares with a regular Club C. Now this is a Club C 85. This is the 35th anniversary pair. That's the Club C Revenge. Minimal differences, but like you can see this Reebok branding right here, and you have like a Viking right there, and a basic white midsole and outsole against this aged cream sail midsole with the Reebok branding there and the teal outsole. So just a quick side-by-side comparison for you guys right there. So this would be a pretty cool sneaker for people who are into gaming and who love the Assassin's Creed game, I guess. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick review of the Reebok Classic Club C Revenge, the Assassin's Creed collab. As always, on a Club C, you go true to size on the sizing. Hey, did I sound like Brad Hall right there? I don't know. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in and checking out this short, quick video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.